Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this green eye look that I created by using an oldie but goodie drugstore brand Wet n Wild palette that looks like this right here. This palette is such a throwback because it's from the Mega Eyes collection. Now I had it for such a long time that honestly I can't even tell you what the name of the palette is, but what I can tell you is if you do like the look that you're seeing, you can keep watching this video, and you can also use eyeshadows that are similar to the same colors and what this palette is about. So if you want to see more on how I created this green eye look, keep watching the video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. I'm starting out by using my e.l.f. Cosmetics Oil Controlling Moisturizing Facial Lotion, which is infused with tea tree oil. It's been helping to control my oily skin. I've been liking it lately. And here is the Profusion Cosmetics Eyelid Primer, and with my fingertips, I'm going to take it and blend it all the way up towards my brow bone. And use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color called Medium Deep to help set that primer and as a transitional color. So here's my MAC Cosmetics Saddle Brown. I so love using this for two reasons. One, it helps to separate the brow bone from the crease color, and it also works as a transitional color to warm my eye up for the next application of color. Speaking of that, which is the palette, the fun part, but I'm so sorry that I don't have the name of this palette, but as you can see, I'm using a precision blending brush and taking the color that's labeled crease. And if you don't have this palette, as long as you have a color that's like a rich hunter green color, I'm placing that directly in the crease. Okay, I'm keeping it nice and low, and I'm blending in a windshield type motion, applying the hunter green looking color directly into my crease. And I want to keep this nice and low simply because I don't want to turn this into a full-blown smoky eye. That's why I chose to keep it low and just blend in a windshield type motion. Going back into the same palette, I'm using now a flat shader brush, and I'm picking up the additional color labeled Eyelid. However, this color also reminds me of like a Army Fatigue green color. And as you can see, I'm using a flat shader brush, and I'm patting that color on the entire mobile area of my eye, taking it slightly up towards my crease. And to add a little bit of pop of reflective light, I'm using some gold eyeshadow, and I'm placing that in my tear ducts right there on the tear ducts, and that's what's going to help open up my eyes with reflective light and a little bit of gold tint. So off camera, applied my false eyelashes and wing liner, and I'm using my Lancôme foundation, and I'm also using a flat top facial blending brush, and I'm going to start by stippling the foundation all over the perimeters of my face, my forehead, my cheeks, and then I'm going to buff and blend it all in. And move into using my LA Girl Cream Contour and Concealer. As far as the concealer part, I'm using it actually as a highlight. As you can see, I hit pan on this. I so love this cream concealing palette. It is such the bomb. I'm also using the darker part, which is for the contour, and I'm going to go ahead and contour the outer perimeter of my cheekbone area as well as the perimeter of my forehead. And with a wet Real Techniques Beauty Blender, I'm going to go ahead and blend all that out and make sure I blend out where I did the contour along the lines, the perimeters of my face, especially along my forehead, and so I don't have any harsh lines and demarcations. So to keep it going, I'm also going to start baking by chiseling out my cheekbone by using some facial setting powder. And again, with the Real Technique Beauty Blender, I'm just going to place it there. And oh, dolls, tell me y'all know about this. I just discovered purple liquid highlighter, and look at this right here. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. I never in a million years thought that liquid purple looking highlighter would work so well for me. It complements my skin tone beautifully. It's by LA Colors Cosmetics. I decided to mix it with their illuminating drops. It's two different colors. The first one was a purple color, and this color is a beautiful golden color called It's Lit. They're down in the description box below. That purple liquid highlighter, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So going back, I'm gonna go ahead with my facial blending brush and just brush off where I baked around my cheekbone area. And I'm also using LA Colors newly released Lockin lip color, What I'm liking about this is it's not sticky when applied. You know, it goes on effortlessly easy. It's very smooth onto the lips. It doesn't have any harsh smell or anything like that, and it's cruelty free. So I'm applying it directly onto my lips, and like I said, it's very smooth when applied, and it lasts an extreme long time. I kid y'all not. But the only thing that I was taking back is I kind of feel that the color didn't go with my eye look, but I'm gonna push through with it. So now I'm gonna use the second part, and this is the gloss side, just to gloss it up just a little bit. The first side is a matte color, and you can gloss it up, and this is going to conclude the video. I wish I could change the lip color, but I'm gonna go ahead on through with it. Make sure you try this look, and thank you. Oh, that purple highlighter is a must, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.